struggling with student engagement? You're not alone. By the time your students reach the age of 21, they've probably spent around 10,000 hours playing video games. That's roughly the same amount of time that they spend in school. How can we, or even should we, compete with that? The answer might come in the form of gamification, and it's not all about fun and games. It is an approach to understanding the motivation and the habits of these students, so that you can insert the experience in there to improve their lives. I've seen this done at IE Business School in my daily job, creating interactive and engaging learning experiences through over 100 interviews at the Professor Game podcast and in all my international conferences. I'm Roberto Alvarez, and I want to invite you to this online workshop where you will be able to understand what is gamification all about, how can you actually use gamification in business education, and of course, you will actually work on a project to do so. So go ahead, click on the button below and find all the details about this online workshop that we're organizing with EFMD and IE Business School on June the 3rd, the 8th, and the 12th at 2 p.m. Madrid time. See you there.